So go 81 1/4.
The trim is pre-rabbeted to accept the siding edges. This makes installation faster and it adds a layer of overlap to the weather protection system. Because the drainage mesh bumps the thickness of the wall out, Will needs to thicken an edge of the trim by about 1/4 inch.
Better in this weather than 10 below.
After laying a bead of exterior wood glue, Will uses the old finger spreader to assure a solid bond. Before installing side casings, Ron seals the bottom edge to protect against bugs and water intrusion. Now they screw the casing to the wall. Turns out, Will moonlights as a video director.
Yep. Roll them.
The head casing is assembled and installed in place. Corner boards are screwed into the corners for the siding to butt to, again sealing the bottom against intrusion from stuff we don't want in the walls.
And this stuff.
Next, we'll install the siding and put the finishing touches on this tricky little wall section.